A simple, cheap and delicious recipe. My children always ask me to repeat it. Let's start by cutting the inside of 2 slices of bread into this square shape and set aside. Use a rolling pin to roll out the inside and set aside. Cut 2 sausages into slices. Grease a frying pan with a little butter and let it melt. Turn the pan onto a low heat and add the 2 outsides of the buns. Add the sausage slices inside the buns like this. If you like easy recipes, write in the comments "I love easy recipes," so you don't miss any of our recipes. In a bowl, I'll add 2 eggs, beat them very well. Leave a comment in the comments about how far our recipe has come. I'd love to hear from you and find out which city you're watching us from. Next, place these beaten eggs inside the buns, on top of the sausage. Add salt to taste. Black pepper to taste. 2 slices of cheese on top. Add ketchup to taste. We can now cover with the other part of the bread that was set aside. Fry at a low temperature for 2 minutes on each side. And our recipe is ready. A great idea for a quick meal or a delicious breakfast. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.